everyone, today we want to make a dialogue about making and responding to suggestion using imperative and infinitive. My name is Ananda Alivira. My name is 19251400.
Hello, my name is Adiba Aurelia. My name is 19250825.
My name is Andral Pradana. My name is 19250682.
Hi everyone, let's share our last vacation experience. Last month, I went to Bali with my family to relax after the exam.
Wow, that's awesome. I stayed in home, but how about going somewhere together next holiday to have fun?
I like it here, but maybe we should choose a place near Nachu to feel calm and peaceful.
Yes, why don't we visit the mountain to enjoy the scenery and fresh air?
Sounds good. Let's make a list of activities to organize the trip better. Plan hiking in the morning.
Great. Don't forget to bring enough food to avoid getting hungry during the hike.
True, what about staying in a small cabin to experience something new?
That will be fun. Maybe we should save some money to rent a comfortable place.
I agree. And let's invite our classmates to make the vacation more exciting.
Good idea. Remember to check the weather forecast and to prepare and properly.
And be sure to pack warm clothes to stay safe at night.
And finally, how about taking lots of photos to keep beautiful memories?
Yes, this trip will be amazing if we plan it well.